Spaghetti begins with wheat, grown across large farming regions. Large flour mills process wheat into semolina for pasta. The wheat enters the mill through a grain receiving pit. Cleaning machines remove dust and impurities from the wheat. Steel roller mills grind wheat into flour and semolina.
Plan sifter machines separate coarse semolina from fine flour.
Semolina is the primary ingredient used to produce pasta.
The semolina is loaded for delivery to pasta factories. The semolina now travels to the pasta production plant. Semolina flour arrives at the pasta factory, where pasta dough preparation begins. Automated conveyors move semolina toward the pasta mixing machines. Semolina enters the mixing machine, where pasta dough begins to form.
Vacuum mixing removes trapped air and improves the texture of pasta dough. The prepared dough is transferred toward the pasta extrusion machine.
The prepared dough is transferred toward the pasta extrusion machine.
Inside the extruder, a powerful screw pushes pasta dough toward the shaping die.
The pasta dough is forced through a bronze die that shapes it into spaghetti. Alignment combs organize the spaghetti strands as they leave the extrusion machine. Fresh spaghetti strands are placed onto rods that support the pasta before drying. The spaghetti strands are transported to large drying towers, where moisture is removed.
Fresh spaghetti is lifted into large drying towers, where moisture is gradually removed.
Warm air circulates through the chamber to dry the pasta evenly.
Humidity control systems regulate the drying environment.
Temperature sensors ensure the drying process remains stable.
After drying, the pasta moves to the cooling stage of production.
After drying, the spaghetti must cool before further processing.
Cooling air stabilizes the dried spaghetti before cutting.
Automated machines remove the spaghetti from the drying rods.
The cooled spaghetti strands move toward the cutting machines. The spaghetti will now be cut into uniform lengths for packaging.
The long spaghetti strands are now cut into uniform lengths.
After cutting the pasta sections, move to the portioning equipment.
Measuring rollers control the portion size of spaghetti for packaging. The spaghetti pieces are grouped into bundles for packaging. The measured spaghetti bundles now move toward the packaging machines.
The spaghetti bundles now enter the automated retail packaging line.
The packaging film wraps tightly around each bundle of spaghetti. Each package receives production and identification markings. Finished spaghetti packages move toward carton packing. Carton packing begins as finished spaghetti packages arrive from the packaging line. Automated loaders place the spaghetti packages into cartons.
Sealing machines close the cartons for shipment. The sealed cartons move to robotic palletizing for warehouse storage.
The robotic arm lifts multiple cartons at once. Layer by layer, the cartons are stacked onto the pallet. Completed pallet loads move to the wrapping station.
Stretch wrapping secures the cartons for safe transport.
Forklifts transport pallet loads to storage racks. Large warehouses store thousands of cartons before distribution. From the warehouse, the pasta will be prepared for shipment to distribution centers. Multiple pallets are loaded to fill the cargo trailer.
The spaghetti is stocked on supermarket shelves. Customers purchase the pasta for meals at home.
From wheat fields to your plate, this is how spaghetti is made.